also pink purple. That's right. Also pink.
So here I am with Moira at Turella. Moira, you are the queen gardener. Tell us all about it.
Well, I just came to the centre and saw there was such a huge space and a lot of people doing bits and pieces, but I thought, oh, it'd be good to include the children because a lot of the educators were just doing it quickly at rest time, and I thought, oh well, the children, if you train them, they can actually do a lot of the important stuff that needs doing, like digging holes and watering, and and we're learning about fertilising the plants as well. So their enjoyment sort of reflects back on me. So yeah, it's a bit chilly today, despite the sun. So it can be a bit hard to get out, but I just know they're just like going to be so excited when we do it that makes it all worthwhile.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it is good, isn't it, to watch the smiles on their faces. Yeah, that's
and
awesome.
of course they have the sweetener of coming to the little park next door afterwards, which is, I think, their main motivation. But
also see you've got a veggie garden as well.
oh yes, yep, and we actually made pumpkin scones with pumpkin from the veggie garden, and last week we did pumpkin soup, so good for children that like pumpkin.
That's so good. All right, that's great. Well, thanks, Moira. That's awesome. I'm going to do a taste test of the pumpkin scones. See how we go. Oh, sensational. Shinji, so good.